doon, parang mag-check tayo lahat. Attendance sa doon.
Saan? Sa mag-attendance?
Kaya isa ko nag-attendance. Careful dito natin.
Ay, pues puta.
Here comes candidate number
Ay, pues puta.
Sabah. Candidate number 5, Clarissa Daniela Ching, Tambo. Number 6, Marian Ann Bautista, Sico.
Dios mío, en tus manos colocamos la fiesta que se acabó y el remate que llega.
Candidate number 7, Kate Danielle Morales, Sabah.
Ay, pues puta.
Amor, en tus manos colocamos el sople que se acabó y el punto que llega.
Candidate number 8, Angela Nicole Araña, Banay Banay.
Ay, pues puta.
Here comes candidate number 9, Maria Gwinnett Padilla, Balintawa. Candidate number 10, Lavelle Joyce Leah, Marawoy. Candidate number 11, Joey Ann Chavez, Pampakita.
Ay, pues puta.
Kizako.
Candidate number 13 is Bless Fergie Lama from Kambo.
Good afternoon po. And of course, to our media partners and local press, welcome to the beautiful city of Lipa. As your committee chairperson on tourism, I am very much excited to share with you the plans and initiatives that we in store event, because we are not here just to promote the tourist destinations and cultural heritage of the Lipa City, but also to have women empowerment. Let the journey begin. I am once again Consihala Denise Manalo. Welcome po sa lungsod ng Lipa. Maraming salamat po.
Tatanungin ang presidente ng probinsya ng Lipa City na si
Patricia Gonzalez from Barangay Lidlod. Continue supporting the tourists of Lipa. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I believe that Lipa City is also the center of business and progress. We have a lot of breathtaking views, restaurants, hotels that we can enjoy all along. And Lipa also has a beautiful and bubbly Peñas. Thank you.
I am Matea Francesca Almaligbas and I am from Barangay Bagobo. Thank you, sir, for that question. The fun fact that I can share about Lipa City is Lipa City is the first go-to coffee museum. Na dito po sa Lipa City is we all know that Lipa City is very known in Kapeng Barako. And in Lipa City, sinishare po namin kung ano po yung meron sa Kapeng Barako and kung paano siya ginagawa and paano po siya giniling. Yun po. Thank you so much.
Aside from Lomi and Kapeng Barako, we have here the sinaing and burong hipon. Ito yung mga secret delicacies of Lipa na hindi alam ng karamihan.
with the local community and involve them.
Each and everyone, I am Patricia Basanyas and I am representing Barangay Sabang. So if I were to win Miss Lipa Tourism 2024, I plan to engage in the local community as we progress in a community needs and to be able to promote the tourism of Lipa as well. And with that, and with collaborating with local businesses, I believe that we will be able to achieve what the local tourism needs, and that is why I want to collaborate with the local businesses. Thank you.
If I will win Miss Lipa Tourism 2024, first I would like to collaborate with the SK of every barangay, and not just for the SK or for the Sangguniang mga kabataan, but also for the chairman to collaborate with me and to the LGUs for promoting the tourism here in Lipa City.
Just to share, before po ako nag-start, yung handler ko po si Justin Gumara, siya yung nag-invite sa akin. Siya lang yung naniwala at that time na kaya kong manalo ng corona. And since then, kasama na iba kong friends, yun na po yung memorable journey ng buong buhay ko po. Marami po ako nakilala ng friends, marami ako nakilala ng brands na tinutulungan po natin i-promote for the tourism of Lipa. And just to tell you din po na after winning Miss Lipa Tourism 2020, I also joined Binibining Silka Southern Tagalog 2023 and won. So I competed for the national pageant ng Binibining Silka and won second place. And all of it is a memorable journey. And I think since then po, hanggang ngayon, at hanggang sa marami pang bukas, it will be the most memorable. Thank you.
Thank you, and
Gusto ko po ay matulungan din ang ating mga local farmers, ang ating mga small businesses, at ang ating mga local vendors. Kaya po dito sa ating regional mega market ay pagkakaisa ng bawat tao na magpakita ng kani-kanilang mga produkto. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
A lot of people tells us na parang ipasabog na lang natin sa coronation na yun. But hindi po talaga yung totoo kasi kapag pinractice mo na sa practice pa lang yung ano talaga ipapakita mo, you will be more natural sa stage. And before going out of the stage, be yourself. And after winning the crown, you're gonna represent Lipa and Miss Lipa Tourism. But you have to represent you, and that's the most important thing. Yun lang po.
And pangalawang question, after joining two pageants, may plan ka ba mag-join ng Binibini or Miss Universe Philippines?
Actually po, for pageants.
For pageants na?
Yes po, after this Miss Lipa Tourism, nag-post lang po ako kasi graduating student po ako of the La Salle Lipa BS Accounting Information System. And for future plans, if there are doors, if there are opportunities, yes po. But as of now, I'm still enjoying a lot of things, and yeah, I'm still open, but I don't have a solid plan pa po about that.
Thank you very much.
Artista?
Kung may mga kalab din ka, sino yung gusto?
Siguro, Donnie Pangilinan.
Why?
Ay, hindi ako maningin ng love team, siguro taga-support lang.
Mali mo naman.
Join Miss Lipa Tourism because I want to be the image of a true Lipeña. And also I want to show the universe, the world, what Lipa has to offer, because as they say, Lipa is an all-in package when it comes to cultural experiences and tourism offerings. And also, I joining here, I would carry the hashtag Eat, Pray, Love Lipa to showcase what Lipa really has to offer to everyone. Because you know, here in Lipa, di ba po, ang daming masarap na pagkain. We have the lomi, the kapeng barako, and for the pray, we do have a lot of churches. That's why Lipa is called to be the little Rome of the Philippines. And also, love. Here in Lipa, we would welcome you with a warm heart, and we are really hospitable po talaga with Lipeños. And that's why I am here, because I want to be the image and show the universe what Lipa has really to offer po.
Thank you.
Everyone, I'm Label Joyce Rachelian from Barangay Marawoy. Adobong dilaw po ang aking napili. Main ingredients po nito ay luyang dilaw, kaya po naging adobong dilaw.
Aside from kapeng barako, lomi, goto, and such, I would love you to try po our sinaing na tulingan, because for me, this reflects the rich culinary heritage of Lipa. And we all know po na ang pagluto po ng sinaing na tulingan, it is slowly cooked for its flavor to mend with the fish. And for me, because you know, alam naman natin na with the hard work, patience, and we will taste the fruitful flavor of that fish. So I would love each and every one of you to try the sinaing na tulingan po.
Good afternoon po to each and everyone. I am Joyanne Chavez from Barangay Sampalita. Good afternoon, Sir Bench. Comfort place, I think I should choose the Tagbakin Lakeview at located at Barangay Halang, Lipa City po. Because as a nature lover, I feel like it's a perfect place to unwind pag gusto niyo po. And you can do also wellness activities. You can jog around the area, bike, or walk. And you can also support local businesses. We have local coffee shops there. So it's a perfect place for people who find peace in their heart. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Joyce Carmela Anan from the barangay na hindi niyo malilimutan, Barangay Dagatan. So, my answer po for that question, I believe po that us having the pride, being a Batangan comes from us being a barangay po. So, a barangay po, it not only means that we are strong, that we are in the front line, but it also means that we are proud where we belong and where we came from. And as an ambassador sa Lipa po, I believe that one should have this trait in its heart and in its mind. Kasi po, if you were the face of Lipa, you should be able to show to the tourists what Lipa has to offer. That Lipa is capable of sharing, that Lipa is worth eating, loving, and praying po. So for me po, if one has the capability to be a barako po, she can be a face of Lipa. And I believe that po, I have that trait that I can be the face of Lipa, a barako in the stilettos. Ala
Hello everyone, I am Charlene Mendoza and I am representing Barangay Santo Niño. If you are into a mountain climbing just like me, I would recommend Mount Malarayat. I think it's a good place for you to visit, and whether you are seeking an adventure or just immersely want to see the nature, I think that Mount Malarayat is definitely worth exploring. And it is also located in our barangay, Barangay Santo Niño, my hometown. And what I like about this is that you could see the view or Lipa from its mountain view. That's all.
If may recommend ako dito sa Lipa, which is the Eat, Pray, Love Lipa. Eat, Pray, Love Lipa po kasi is showcase the characteristics of Lipeño.
I want to share with you the Sinaing na Tulingan. As someone said that earlier, I want to mention that why I love Sinaing na Tulingan because of how it cooked. Because kung paano natin lutuin ang Sinaing na Tulingan ay sa lumang gawain ng mga Pilipino. Kasi we don't have advanced equipments before. That's why I would like to show Filipinos, especially all Lipeños, how Sinaing na Tulingan, kung paano lutuin ito before. Hindi po natin magagawa ang love without our people. Kung wala po tayo, kung wala po ako, candidate, kung wala po ang mga nag-ahandle, hindi po natin mararamdaman ang love sa Eat, Pray, Love Lipa. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
As officially candidate of Miss Lipa Tourism 2024, I am honored to represent the vibrance of our city. And by that question po, syempre we are promoting hashtag Eat, Pray, Love Lipa. Eat. Ano ba naman to? Syempre po, madami tayong pagkain dyan. We have a lot to offer, like Lomi, Gotong Batangas. Guys, if you are waiting the tourism video, please, konti na lang po. And we are, girls, we have a video there po. Sana po ay supportahan nyo. Again, let's promote the advocacy of tourism, Lipa Tourism po, which is hashtag Eat, Pray, Love Lipa. That's all po. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ann Bautista from Sico, Lipa City. Hashtag Eat, Pray, Lipa. So marami po tayong i-offer ngayon dito sa Lipa. Lipeños are very hospitable po. That's why super welcome po kayo pag pupunta po kayo dito. That's all.
Thank you, Kevin.
United we stand in love and in pride. Lipa's heart beats on with you on our side. Miss Lipa Tourism down, spirit you hold, beauty within beyond.
Video. Gwen, lapit ka kay Bea. Forward ng konti, Bea. Konti lang. Yan. Right, your space tayo sa video. Number 3. Go!
We are Miss Lipa Tourism in Cradle of Lipa.
Sakit sa Sibaya. Oh. That's it.